New free Hermes agent teams update is insane. AI agents just learned how to talk to each other for free. This changes everything. You can now build a whole team of AI agents and they run without you. No coding, no big setup, just agents doing the work. This is the Hermes update nobody's talking about, and it's wild. So Hermes agents can now message each other on Telegram. Like Agent 1 tells Agent 2 to do something. Agent 2 does it, sends the result to Agent 3. Agent 3 finishes the job. You just watch. That's a real AI team, running on its own. Before this update, AI agents were lonely. They couldn't talk to each other. You had to do everything manually, switch between tools, copy and paste, do all the boring stuff yourself. Now, they collaborate in real time inside Telegram for free. And I'm going to break down exactly how it works. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst Julian's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to bring you the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below and he'll see it. Okay, so let's talk about what Hermes actually is first, because if you don't know it yet, you need to. Hermes is a free open source AI agent built by Noose Research, and it's not like the basic AI tools you've seen. This one actually learns. It builds its own skills over time. It improves itself, and it runs anywhere. Your laptop, a server, the cloud, think Auto-GPT, but smarter, and actually works. You can connect it to Telegram, Discord, run it on a cheap VPS, but now you can run multiple Hermes agents that talk to each other. That last part is what this update is all about. So here's the new feature in plain English. You create multiple Telegram bots. Each bot is one Hermes agent. You put them in the same Telegram group, and then you switch on a setting inside BotFather, that's Telegram's bot tool, called doc.setBot2bot. That one setting is what changes everything. Once that's on, your bots can message each other directly. Agent 1 can send a task to Agent 2. Agent 2 can reply. They can pass work back and forth without you doing anything. That's it. That's the update. And it sounds simple, but the impact is massive. Say you want to make a YouTube video. Here's what an AI agent team could do. Agent 1 is your research agent. You tell it the topic. It goes and finds all the information, digs up stats, angles, ideas. Then it messages Agent 2 directly inside Telegram. Agent 2 is your writer agent. It takes the research and writes the script. Done. And then it messages Agent 3. Agent 3 is your editor agent. It cleans up the script, makes it better, sends it back. You didn't touch any of that. The agents did it together in real time. That's not a tool. That's a team. And here's the open loop. Imagine scaling that 10 agents, 20 agents, each one with a different job, all talking to each other, all running while you sleep. We'll get to what that really means in a second. Now, before we go further, if you want to go deeper on this stuff, you need to be inside the AI Profit Boardroom. That's where I share the full processes, the setups, the workflows, and everything you need to actually run AI agents like this in your business. It's the best place to scale, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, like what we're talking about right now with Hermes agent teams. Link is in the description. Check it out. Okay, back to it. So why is this update such a big deal? Because before now, multi-agent AI systems were complicated. You needed to know how to code. You needed to stitch everything together yourself with APIs and custom integrations. That was the barrier. Most people couldn't do it. Now, you just need Telegram, which you probably already have, and a free tool called Hermes, and 5 minutes to set it up. That's it. The complicated, hard version of multi-agent AI just got a free, simple, open source version, and it runs on Telegram, which is everywhere. This is kind of like when smartphones happened. Before, only big companies had powerful computers. Then suddenly everyone had one in their pocket. Same energy here. Let me walk you through the setup so you can actually picture this working. Step 1, go to Telegram and open BotFather. That's Telegram's official tool for creating bots. Create your first bot. It gives you a token. That's like a password for your bot. Step 2, create your second bot. Same process, another token. Step 3, inside BotFather, run the command doc.setBot2bot. This is the key step. This is what allows your bots to message each other. Without this, bots on Telegram can't talk to each other. With this, they can. Step 4, open your Hermes project. Add your bot tokens to the .env file. That's just a settings file. You paste the tokens in. Done. Step 5, configure each agent's behavior in the config.yaml file. This is where you tell Agent 1, you're the researcher. You tell Agent 2, you're the writer. You define their jobs. Step 6, run Hermes. Add both bots to the same Telegram group and watch them work. And that's the whole setup. Seriously, that's it. And here's what's crazy. This is open source. Free. You can download it right now from the Hermes GitHub page and start building. Now here's where it gets even more interesting, because this isn't just about one workflow. Think about what you can build with this. You could build an AI customer support system. One agent handles incoming questions. Another agent pulls from your knowledge base. A third agent writes the reply. Customer gets a response. You didn't do anything. You could build an AI content system. One agent finds trending topics. One writes the content. One checks it and improves approves it, you get the final version. You could build an AI research team. You give it a question. The agents split the work. They compare notes. They give you a full breakdown. The open loop here is this. We're still in the early days of what's possible with this. People are already experimenting with agent delegation commands like chat handoff and ACK, where one agent literally hands off a task to another and gets confirmation. That kind of thing is being built right now inside the Hermes community. This is going to get way bigger. And here's the thing that people are sleeping on. Hermes is doing that for free right now on Telegram. The gap between people who are building with AI agents and people who aren't, that gap just got a lot wider with this update, because now it's not just about using ChatGPT to write emails. It's about running whole automated systems that work on their own, systems that think, delegate, collaborate, and execute without you in the middle. That's the real shift. So let me recap what dropped with this Hermes update and why it matters. Hermes agents can now talk to each other directly via Telegram. You set it up using BotFather and the setBot2Bot setting. You connect multiple agents into one group. Each agent has its own job. They pass tasks between each other. They complete workflows on their own. The result? A real working AI team. Free, open source, running on Telegram. You don't need to pay for enterprise software. You don't need a developer. You just need the Hermes GitHub, BotFather, and about 15 minutes. This is one of the most practical multi-agent setups available right now. And most people have no idea it exists. Now here's what I want you to do. Go to the Hermes GitHub page. It's called Naus Research Hermes Agent. Star the repo so you can follow updates. Download it. Follow the setup steps I just walked through. Create 2 bots in BotFather. Enable setBot2Bot. Add your tokens and run your first agent team. Start simple. 1 agent researches. 1 agent writes, see it work, then build from there. And if you want the full process SOPs and a library of AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's free. Link is in the comments and the description. You'll get all the notes from this video, plus access to a community of 38,000 members who are using AI to get ahead right now. Everything is in there. Come join us. And if you want to go even deeper, if you want to actually scale your business, get more customers, and build AI systems like Hermes agent teams inside your workflow, the AI Profit Boardroom is where that happens. That's where we go beyond the videos and actually build. Link is in the description. Drop a comment below and tell me, what would your first Hermes agent team do? What's the workflow you'd automate first? Julian reads every comment, so write it down. See you in the next one.